I'm upgrading my living space with these 2 pieces of furniture, and I can't wait to share them with you. Welcome back again to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I will be unboxing and reviewing 2 pieces of furniture I got from Costway. The first one is a TV stand with a built-in fireplace. And so you know, the unboxing itself was a whole experience. Everything came neatly packed in a large box. And because it contains glass, the packaging was very secure. The glass panels were placed in a different box, and right away I knew this company paid attention to detail when it comes to protecting their products. When it was time to assemble, I had a lot of help from my husband, and even my kids joined in the fun. So it actually turned into a family project, which made the process even more enjoyable. Every single piece was clearly labeled with numbers, so there was no confusion about where each part belonged. Even the holes for the screws and hardware were pre-engraved, which made it easier for us to line up everything perfectly. The package also came with a manual that explained the steps in details. Step 1, step 2, Step 3, you could literally just follow it without guessing. I really appreciated that because it made the whole process smooth. We used a drill for the hardware, which saved time, and little by little, the stand started to take shape. Honestly, the assembly wasn't stressful at all. In fact, it was quite enjoyable because we could see it coming together piece by piece. Now let's talk about the fireplace insert. This was my favorite part of the entire stand. It fits seamlessly into the TV stand and comes with a remote control, so you can easily adjust the settings without getting up. I love that feature because you can control the brightness and heat level depending on your mood or the weather. The fireplace itself gives off such a cozy vibe. It's exactly what I had in mind as I prepare my home for winter. Once everything was assembled, the final look was stunning. The crisp white color of the stand brightens up the room, and my 75-inch TV sits perfectly on top. The size and design make the TV stand the centerpiece of my living room. The second item is a bookshelf, and even though it is smaller, it is just as useful. I bought this specifically for my son's room because I wanted him to have a nice place to organize his books. The design is simple and also functional. It can even be placed on a table or desk. What I love about this bookshelf is that it comes with little hangers on the sides, so it's not just for books. You can also use it for other smaller items as well. The installation was super easy compared to the TV stand, and it only had a few pieces. So in just a few minutes, everything was put together, no stress at all. The links are in the video description. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Until I see you again next time, remain blessed.